Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of combining multiple animations using the Nonlinear Animation, NLA Editor in Blender. Let's dive in. Here we have 4 different characters. The first character has a walking animation. The second one is set up with a running animation. The third character features a jumping animation. The fourth character currently has no animation applied. Our objective is to merge the first 3 animations and apply them all to the fourth character. Here's how we can do that. First, switch one of your editor panels to the Nonlinear Animation Editor, also known as the NLA. Next, open another viewport and set its editor type to the dope sheet. Then, within the dope sheet, change the mode to Action Editor. Now, select the armature of the first character and rename its animation to Walk. Do the same for the second character. Rename its animation to Run. For the third character, label its animation as Jump. Finally, choose the armature of the fourth character and set its animation name to None, since it doesn't have one. While the fourth character is still selected, go to the Action browser and pick the Walk animation. Then, from the Action menu, select Push Down to add it to the NLA stack. If the Walk animation didn't appear, press Shift+A together, and from the pop-up menu, select Walk. At this point, the fourth character now has the Walk animation. Make sure to adjust the extrapolation mode. Change it to Hold Forward, so the animation doesn't disappear before or after its timeline. Move this walk strip closer to the end of its frame range. Now, with the fourth character still selected, choose the Run animation from the browser and again push it down from the Action menu. If the Run animation doesn't show up immediately, press Shift+A and choose Run from the pop-up list. This will add the Run animation to the stack. Change the extrapolation mode to Hold Forward. Now, both the Walk and Run animations are applied to the fourth character. Next, with the same character selected, select the Jump animation and push it down from the Action menu. Again, if it doesn't appear, press Shift+A and choose Jump from the list. Adjust its extrapolation setting to Hold Forward. At this stage, all 3 animations, Walk, Run, and Jump, are successfully added to the fourth character. To make transitions between them look natural, set the Blend In and Blend Out values to 2, 5 for each animation. This helps create smooth transitions between the strips. Now, go to the timeline and set the end frame to 158, which matches the total duration of all 3 animations. Play the animation. You'll now see the fourth character performing the Walk, Run, and Jump animations in sequence. And that's it.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.